This is Lucid Dreaming Questing brought to you by Phase 101. Before beginning this dream journey, you need to be aware of the basic techniques of entering a lucid dream, whether through indirect techniques or direct techniques, which I teach in a series here on the Phase 101 YouTube channel. It is up to you to imagine the circumstances, to craft your own path, and to reach your own conclusions through your personal imagination. That being said, I would recommend starting by just listening to this video. If you refrain from watching the visual representations, you will have a more unique and personal experience, as your subconscious mind will not be influenced by these illustrations. This will be the first of a series of quests you will have to face and complete. These quests are not for the faint-hearted. You must have the know-how to become lucid in a dream, maintain lucidity, and there you can begin the quest. Here you will test your resolve, sharpen your skills, and journey deep into your subconscious mind to face the quest before you. Many challenges await, but only through courage and determination will you succeed. Brace yourself, traveler. We now begin with AI Lucid Dream Quest number 1, the Flying City. Difficulty, beginner. As you realize you are dreaming, stabilize the dream through various techniques you have learned. Rubbing your hands together or focusing on small details around you. Become grounded and remember the task at hand. 1. The doorway. You may be in your room or near a building of some sort. Imagine a glowing doorway or portal forming before you. You can use item creating techniques to find the door. Walk through it with the intention of finding the flying city on the other side. 2. The flight. As you step through, you see a massive city in the distance, up in the clouds. Summon the ability to fly, rise above the clouds, moving toward distant shining towers in the sky. Joyfully, yell at the top of your lungs as you glide closer and closer to the city. Feel the freedom of your soul dance through the sky as you surge through the wind and rain. 3. First encounter. As you approach the city, notice its vast bridges, massive infrastructure, and figures that dwell within. You notice the city walls are made of large glowing crystals. Approach the city wall and touch a crystal. Charge yourself with this crystal for a moment and feel the power of this energy pulse through your body with an eccentric electric force. Demonstrate an example of this power in some way. You can fly faster, jump higher, shoot a beam of energy, have a feeling of ecstasy, etc. 4. The challenge. Approach the city entrance, which is being blocked by a guardian. This guardian is a defender of the city. It is a large force of some kind and seems to have a very defensive yet noble task of defending the city gates from evil. It thinks that you may be posing a threat or stealing its energy. You must use lucid control, perhaps negotiating with the guardian, speaking truth, telling a joke, or answering his question to pass. You must find some peaceful way to sway the guardian to allow you entrance into the city. 5. The exploration. Once inside the city, explore its plazas, markets, and glowing architecture. You can continue to fly around and survey the area, looking for interesting places to investigate. You must find a restaurant on the street and taste 2 different exotic and delicious foods. Revel in the unique but satisfying tastes of these interesting delicacies. Now you must find an important-looking dream character and ask them important questions. Ask them, what truth do I need to see right now? Can you show me the wisdom I need to know right now? 6. The completion. Congratulations, you have completed quest number 1, the Flying City. When you awaken, remember to perform a reality check to ensure you did not experience a false awakening. Record your experiences in a dream journal. If you enjoyed this experience, please subscribe, like, and comment below about your travels and what you discovered in your lucid dream journey.